Welcome to Learn Grammar Through Stories, the Predictive Picnic. Today's grammar is the difference between will and be going to. Let's begin. Emma and her friends were planning a picnic. While chatting, they discussed the weather forecast and their plans. "I will bring sandwiches and lemonade," said Emma. "Great. I am going to bake some cookies. I've already bought the ingredients," Jake replied. "I will check the weather app now to see if it's sunny tomorrow," Sophia offered. After a few seconds, Sophia looked worried. "Oh no, it says there's a chance of rain." "But don't worry, I'll bring an umbrella just in case," said Sophia. "If it rains, I'm not going to bake cookies. Instead, I'll make hot chocolate," Jake replied. "I won't cancel the picnic even if it rains. I'm going to bring a waterproof blanket," Emma said. Later, Sophia sighed. "Maybe the weather forecast won't be accurate. Let's hope for the best." The next day, the weather surprised everyone. There were a few clouds, but no rain. "I told you it would be fine. Let's set up under that tree," said Emma. "I'm going to enjoy every moment of this picnic. It's going to be a perfect day," replied Sophia. Part 2. Grammar explanation. How to use will. A. Decisions made at the moment. Example: "I won't cancel the picnic." B. Predictions based on opinions or feelings. Example: "The weather forecast will not be accurate." C. Promises or offers. Example: "I'll bring an umbrella." Next, let's look at how to use be going to. We use it for A. Planned actions. Example: "I am not going to bake cookies." B. Predictions based on evidence. Example: "It's not going to rain. Look at the sky." Next, let's do the quiz.